Welcome students to my third lecture session on leadership. So earlier in my two previous videos, two previous lecture sessions, I already covered various aspects of leadership, like what is leadership, what are the roles of a leader, and what is the importance of leadership. So let us see what would be our learning objective in this video. Today in this video, we'll be learning about various leadership styles. So we'll be talking about various leadership styles. So let's get started. So while we talk about leadership style, we already got to know what is leadership, what are the roles of a leader. But the thing is that all leaders do not possess same attitude or same perspective. Leaders are different because of their different mindset, because of different work environment. Few leaders they adopt carrot approach, and few leaders they try to rule with strict approach. So obviously it is very much important to know about various leadership styles, because when you will join organization, if you get promoted to a good position, then you will have to handle various type of people. So which leadership style would be appropriate for which situation, that we all should know. So first type of leadership is autocratic leadership style. So what happens in this type of autocratic leadership style? Leaders try to control each and everything. That means the leader has complete command and has a very strong grip on the team members, on the employees. And generally, the team members or the employees in that particular organization where autocratic leadership style is followed, they are not welcomed to give any kind of suggestion. They cannot suggest anything. They cannot criticize any decision. They cannot question on leader how they are doing. So basically, whatever would be told by the leader, the employees and the team members, they're bound to follow that, whatever leader is saying. Okay, so what is the advantage? But the thing is that you might be thinking that this type of leadership skill, then do not have any kind of advantage. No, situational advantage is there. Like in case if any kind of situation arises where speedy decision making needs to be taken, means decision making has to be very fast. So in that case, autocratic leadership style would be preferable. And when job is very monotonous, no creativity is needed. So from the morning till evening, the same kind of job needs to be done, and routine work has to be done by the unskilled employees. In that case, autocratic leadership style is preferable. In that situation, autocratic leadership style is good. But obviously, from the discussion, we can understand that there are certain drawbacks of this type of leadership skill. Like if the employees are not getting any kind of scope to suggest anything, whatever problem they are facing while they are working, as they are not being able to put forward to the management, the employees feel demotivated. So while they'll feel demotivated, obviously high rate of absenteeism would be there. High rate of they will leave the organization. They will try to leave the organization. They will try to find a better job if they become experienced. So high turnover rate is also there. So this is the drawback. I hope this is clear to you all. Now, next type of leadership skill is that the laissez-faire leadership skill. So what happens in this leadership style? Leaders totally trust their employees, because the employees, they know their roles and responsibilities. They know how the work has to be done. So basically, the leader in this leadership style, they follow the intellectual part of the work. means various creative idea, rational aspect of that particular work. Leader focuses on that, and management leaders in this leadership style, the leader doesn't focus on management aspect, day-to-day management aspect. They do not follow it. They do not focus on it because the employees are experienced. They know how to do it. So obviously, if as they're experienced, employees are experienced, they can provide their suggestions. Uh, their views, their idea is generally welcomed, and they feel much attached with the organization. So this leadership style is only appropriate if the employees are very much skilled, if they are loyal to the organization, and if they have vast experience, then only this leadership style can be followed. Otherwise, it would be become destructive. If you leave everything on the employees, they may start doing whatever they want to do. But if the employees are loyal, if the employees are skilled, then only this type of leadership skill can be followed. Okay. Now, third type of leadership skill is the democratic, participative leadership skill. So from the term itself, we can understand that the democratic environment exists in this type of organization where democratic, that means participative leadership skill uh, is nurtured. So basically, the leaders, they invite their suggestions. They encourage the team members to come up with a lot of ideas, how to improve the job, how to improve the process, and most importantly, that the employees or the team members, they play a very important role in decision making process. So while various decision is formulated, various kind of things are formulated, while decision is taken, then they play a very important role. They actively participate, means the team members I'm talking about, the employees, they participate actively. But one thing needs to be remembered, that the ultimate decision power, this will be on the leader. Means leader takes the ultimate decision here. So though they play important role, but the ultimate decision, whatever will come, this will be taken by the leader. So here leaders, they encourage employees, they guide their employees how to perform the task. Uh, they can suggest, employees can suggest, as I told earlier. The advantage of this type of leadership skill is that employees stay motivated as they are taking a part in decision making process. Uh, employees feel satisfied. Employee become more attached with the organization. They feel employees may become loyal to the organization. Okay, so optimistic environment, healthy relationship exist within the team members, with the manager, with the leader, and generally a lot of creativity comes because of this. A lot of creativity comes into surface. But the drawback of this type of leadership skill is it is very time consuming. Like the leader will invite suggestion from each and every employee. He will invite the suggestion, then he will analyze the suggestions, then accordingly he will take the decisions. So it is very much time consuming. Okay, so this is the main concept of democratic or participative leadership style. Then bureaucratic leadership. So from the term itself, we can understand that it is somehow the base of this kind of leadership skill is bureaucracy. That means the leaders who follow this type of leadership style, they try to adhere the organizational rules and regulations very strictly, and they make sure that all the employees or all his teammates, they are also strictly following the rules and regulations of this of the particular organization. So maintaining, adhering to rules and regulations is very much important here in this case. And the most important thing is that base of the promotion is, you may say it consciously or unconsciously, whatever may be, the base of the promotions, that means employees get promoted on the basis of their adherence to organizational rule. Quite astonishing fact. So how much, to what extent they are adhering to the organization rules and regulations, that would decide their probability of promotion or probability of getting promoted. So you can say it is suitable where always safe work condition has to be ensured, quality has to be maintained strictly. So where creativity doesn't matter so much, but quality, safe working condition, that matters a lot. In that type of cases, this can be suitable. That means bureaucratic leadership style can be suitable, because of to introduce the safe working condition, some predefined rules and regulations are there. So employees should adhere to these rules and regulations to improve the quality or to maintain the quality of the product or services. Some kind of guidelines are there. So employees are required to follow that particular guidelines. So the base of this, as I told earlier, the base of the leadership style is bureaucracy. Okay, but disadvantage, what is the disadvantage of this type of leadership skill? It obviously, when they're forced to follow the rules and regulations of the company, of the organization, they'll, you cannot expect creativity from them. You cannot expect creativity from your employees, from your team members, because it's kind of robotic thing. They get habituated with the rules and regulations. They always strive to follow the rules and regulations. So no creativity will can be expected from that particular employees. So this is the disadvantage of this bureaucratic leadership style. So I hope the core concepts of various leadership styles is clear to you all. So thank you for your patience. In my next video, I'll talk about some other topic. So if you have any kind of confusion, you can contact me, or you can ask during doubt clearing classes. Thank you all of you.